Hey guys, I am going to make a loop bow today, and this is going to be for a boxwood. This is some Christmas ribbon, or I think you could use this for fall as well, but this is a burgundy 4-inch with a, I say a damask print, but this is an acanthus leaf. We have a 2.5-inch green and burgundy colored 2.5-inch ribbon. We have a green, emerald green velvet with a satin bag, and it's a 1.5-inch, and then a 1.5-inch glittered gold that is really pretty. So I'm just going to start making a loop bow here. I'm going to make the long tail, and I'm going to dovetail on all of these. I'm just going to make a loop. Dovetail. Got that loop right here. Okay. Then I'm going to take my next 2.5, and I'm going to leave a tail at the top. I'm going to loop and loop. Dovetail. Then I'm going to take my green velvet. I'm going to leave a long tail. I'm going to loop. One loop. Dovetail in this green velvet as well. Okay, and then I'm going to take this gold, and I'm going to leave a tail at the top, and then I'm going to loop and loop for one tail at the bottom. I want this one just a little bit longer. I want my tails to all be different lengths, different on there. So let's get some zip ties. I'm going to use black zip ties on this because this is a little bit darker of a ribbon. You're never going to see the middle of that. I'm going to put a zip tie just right in underneath it. We're going to attach this to a boxwood or this would be pretty on a magnolia wreath. Any of your berried wreaths, this would be beautiful on as well. There is our loop bow that we have, and we're going to attach this to a wreath.